Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to chat and share files during a Roombr session. First, locate the chat icon in the bottom right corner of the Roombr application interface. If you want to chat with the entire group, click on the Everyone option. Here, you can send text messages, emoticons, files, documents, images, and more to all participants in the session. If you want to chat with a specific person, click on their name in the participant list. This will open a separate chat window where you can communicate privately with that individual. To share a file during the session, simply click on the Attach icon within the chat window. This will allow you to browse your local files and select the document or file you wish to share. Participants can preview shared files directly within the chat window. If they wish to download the file, they can simply click on the File Preview and choose the Download option.
Roombr.